Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the match and index functions in Excel and why you cannot use the Vlookup in some instances. So let's get started. After watching this video, you'll learn how to use these two functions to look up values in any direction, how to handle large data sets more efficiently, and how to create robust formulas. Here the problem is finding the part number and finding the cost for a particular part number. As you can see, the part numbers are in the last column of this table. And what you want Excel to do is to return the cost for this part number. However, you cannot use the VLOOKUP function because the VLOOKUP would only look to the right of any column. So here you need to use another function, which is the match function in Excel. The match function allows you to find the position of a particular cell within the table. So you first need to find out on which row the part number is placed at. And then once you find that, you're able to find the cost for that particular part number. What you need to do is to type match, then specify what is the lookup value. The lookup value is the part number, and pay attention that for the match function, you can only give an array of number and only a column. So you cannot select the entire table. It just has to be the column related to the part numbers. And then you need the exact match. So now match returns the position of that part number, which is on the third row of this table. However, this is not enough and you still haven't found the cost. So now you need to incorporate this match function within the index function. The index function would allow you to find the cost of a particular part number. What index does is that it finds the value of the cell at the intersection of a particular row and a column. Here, what you need to give to index is first the values in the cost array and then the row number that you're looking at. The row number is already found by the match function. So you know that the row number for that part number is row 3. So using the match and incorporating it within the index function would allow you to automate finding the row. And now all you need to do is to close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can see that Excel returned the value of the cost for that part number. And if you change the part numbers, the values would be changed accordingly. Now you know how to use the index and match functions together to create flexible lookups in Excel. And if this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and business examples.